In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your resume from LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download your CV or resume using the LinkedIn app, step by step, so you can keep a copy handy for applications or sharing. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. It's a good idea to make sure the app is updated so the menus look the same as what you see here and everything works smoothly. Once the app is open and you're signed in, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This is the small circle with your photo. When the side menu opens, look for Settings. On most versions of the app, you'll find it at the bottom left of that panel, sometimes represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and tap Settings. Inside Settings, select Data Privacy. This section controls how your information is stored and used across LinkedIn. Under the Data Privacy area, scroll to find Job Seeking Preferences and then tap Job Application Settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps the resumes you've uploaded for easy apply job applications, so everything you need should be right here. On the Job Application Settings screen, you'll see your uploaded resume or resumes. If you have more than one file, choose the one you want to save to your device. Next to the file name, tap the three dots. A small menu will pop up with options, usually including download and delete. Be careful here not to tap delete unless you truly want to remove the file from LinkedIn. To save a copy, tap download. What happens next can vary slightly depending on your device. On iPhone or iPad, you'll typically see the share sheet, where you can choose Save to Files and pick a folder, like iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. On Android, the file will usually download directly to your Downloads folder, and you might get a notification confirming it's saved. In most cases, LinkedIn provides the resume as a PDF, which is widely accepted by employers. A few quick tips. Keep an eye on the file name so it's professional and easy to recognize. If you see multiple versions, download the most up-to-date one. And if you don't see any files listed, it likely means you haven't uploaded a resume to LinkedIn's Easy Apply yet. So this area will appear empty until you do. And that's it. Open LinkedIn, go to your profile, tap Settings, then Data Privacy, Job Seeking Preferences, Job Application Settings, tap the three dots next to your resume, and download. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you grab your resume quickly and confidently.